You'll love this 2002 Subaru Forester. This is a car you'll want to take home. With 104,066 miles, it features automatic transmission and an exterior color of Savannah Green Metallic. Call us and be the first to open the car door today.